What's up, guys? It's AI Showdown week from Lovable, and we are putting three of the biggest names in AI against each other in a classic coding showdown. In the one corner, we have got Anthropic, the creators of highly praised Claude models. In the other side, we have got like ever popular and powerful GPT model from OpenAI, and last but not least, from the tech giant themselves, Google, with their state-of-the-art Gemini model. For years, we have heard about these AI models and all the benchmarking that they release. Sometimes Gemini gets to the top, and then another model fires back with the new benchmarks. But how good are they, like at the real practical coding tasks? How good are they while writing the actual game logic, like collision detection, different game mechanics, and score tracking? Let's see in this coding showdown. We will be trying out all these three, all the state of the art models provided by these three tech giants, AI giants to be precise, and we will see which of the AI giants has to offer the best model in the market in terms of real practical use case, like developing a game. So I will be starting with the veteran OpenAI. So I'm like about to prompt them like just a single time, like it will be a single prompt, and I will ask it to build like a Tetris, okay, because Tetris encompasses all the game logic and yeah, it is one of the simple looking games that encompasses all the different game mechanics and also involves like a lot of game logic. So yeah, let's see like how it fares. So I have like created a like very detailed prompt which I will be using here. So I am like okay, let me read out the prompt. So I'm basically prompting it like you are an AI, you are an expert in JS, like expert JS developer. Your task is to create a complete and fundamental Tetris game. The game should include the following features. So I have mentioned the standard Tetris, uh, what do you call it? Standard Tetris characteristics, like all the Tetris standards in this prompt. Like it should have 10 by 20 cells stored, all seven standard determinants, ability to move the following pieces left and right, also the ability to rotate the pieces, the ability to soft drop, meaning when you like drop the tetramino, then soft drop means like to speed up the downfall of the tetramino. Uh, and with arrow down, I want it to create like that feature with the arrow down. Also, hard drop means like instantly place the draw tetramino into the bottom. And yeah, like everything. And let us see how it works. Okay, so let us see how does OpenAI perform. Let's see. Okay, it started pouring the response into the screen. Okay, looks like it's organizing code very well in the form of hooks. Looks good. The code looks good. Okay, so yeah, it looks clean because it is writing hooks for each functionality. I like the way it is going, very modular. I must say it has architected the code base very well. Let's see the output. Okay, I can hear the chime that Laravel just gave. I hope the preview appears pretty soon. Okay, okay, is this it? Okay, let me start the game. Whoa, impressive. Okay. Is it functional? Okay, okay, great. So, all right. So, oh no, oh no, oh no. AI being AI. So, okay. Okay. So I was a little bit shocked. Okay, okay. When I press down button, then it's increasing the score, which means there is another game logic error. So let me try like little bit. Okay, okay, I can see. My screen was too zoomed up. Okay, great. And let me move my camera a little bit. And let me, okay, I can see like it is increasing the error when I press down. So that was issue with the Gemini. Okay, so it is working like for like when it clears the last drop. So let me try with the hard drop spacebar. Oh no, like it clears all the like tetraminos in the last block. So wow, it was uprising like when I press space. Whoa, like game restarts. Whoa. Is that due to like a tab being like okay, let me try it again. Okay, it's working. So basically it was when I press tab, then the this button was getting highlighted, this button was selected, and when I pressed like spacebar, then like this button was pressed. So let me remove the selection. Then try the hard drop. Okay, hard drop works. Okay, this all working pretty well. But see, it has already given me 50 score just for pressing space. So it's working. Let me clear two consecutive rows at once. Mm, okay, I need something called something that is straight. Okay, great. So let me see if I can see any animations. It's not okay. So okay, let me end this game real quick. Okay, okay. Let me try with OpenAI if it works. Okay, so it is spinning up preview. Let us see how OpenAI fares against Gemini, the oldest, the evergreen OpenAI. Let us see what they have to offer. So here, okay, so it has planned how it will create the game. So I can see if I have to comment on this code, then it looks pretty clean. And okay, so okay, it's not responding. I guess I'll just turn off the preview, and then like it looks like it is just pouring all the code in one single file. So but let us see how the output shows. Okay, I can just hear the chime of the Lovable, and let's see how the output, uh, how the final game looks like. Let's see what the OpenAI has got to offer. Whoa, did not expect this. Like whole new AI, whole new UI. Also the ghost mode, like it is showing. Okay, impressive, great. Okay, I really like the instruction at the side. Let me try the hard drop. Oh, okay, hard drop did not work. Hard drop did not work. So let me check it. Okay, iDrop is not working. I can press spacebar, but it's not working. So yeah, one thing which is like improved from the Gemini is the score is not changing. Even if I press a spacebar or down button, that's good part for the OpenAI. That's good. Okay, so but still, like hard drop is not working. A little bit disappointed with OpenAI on that. Okay, let me try clearing this out and see if it works. Okay, great. So yeah, I just got the 100 score for clearing one line. So let me clear two simultaneously and see like if I get something on the points in exponential form. Okay, so I'll do I need to clear two at once. Okay, let me clear two at once. I need to clear two at once. I want to see if it has implemented the game logic or bonus score as well. Okay, so let me check it out. Why don't I get? Okay, I got that thing that I needed. Okay, we'll check if it like clears out. If I, yeah, I pause it. Okay, it doesn't clear. Okay, so okay, so like it is pretty linear, and when I cleaned like clear two rows, then I got awarded with 200. Yeah. So okay, so it works, but the hard drop is not working. So okay, hard drop is really not working. So find the we could find the limitations from the OpenAI's Tetris. So let us see how game over works. Okay, so it was pretty impressive, and let's pick the Anthropic. And I will paste the same prompt that I have on my clipboard and then press enter. Please work. Okay, great, great. It's working. Uh, we are really lucky to get this chance because it's very, very like servers are under heavy load now, so yeah, everyone is using it. So okay, I can see the commentary uh, from OpenAI's model, sorry, Anthropic's model, which is probably Claude Opus or like so Opus 4 or Sonnet 4. So let's see the code quality. Okay, so it started with Tetris game.tsx. It's importing game board, stats, and the tetram in the next piece. Okay, sounds good. It has like kept all the patterns in the form of array of arrays, which is pretty standard practice. Uh, and then it has all the colors here. Okay, so probably for like different shapes, it is keeping like different color. Okay, so it's spinning up. Let us see the preview. It was pretty fast though. Like, let's see what Anthropic has to offer. So let's see. Okay, so does Anthropic beat both OpenAI and Gemini? Okay, so I can see UI is pretty good. Maybe not the best, but like since it is centered, I like the way it is centered because OpenAI could not do that. Okay, the pause button is pretty handy, which I think I did not see on like on OpenAI and Gemini. So okay, I need to click here. Okay, so let me try with the hard drop. And also score level is like in place, like it is not messed up like Gemini. So okay, soft drop is working pretty well. Okay, okay, so I can see hard drop is not working. Oh, lost. Like okay, I will give it one more chance because it was pretty uh like it was like wow, pretty unexpected thing. Okay, when I press space for hard drop, then it is like getting latched over there. Uh, so okay, so let me uh, let it drop. Okay, all right. So it just got cleared. Like really, did I like manage to get a row? I'm not sure. Let us see. Like, did I even get the row when it got cleared? I did not notice it. Okay, let me just try. Okay, like let me try if it is okay. It is like detecting the collision. It's great, great. Okay, great. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's clearing up, and there is nothing like exponential reward points. So, whoa, was there like a straight line there? I'm not sure. Really? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so what I will try is, oh, I can't go there now. Okay, so I think it's pretty working. Yeah, it's not clearing up on its own. First of all, the decision benchmark is tetromino randomness. So all the Tetris, like all the model could implement this Tetris tetromino randomness because all the tetrominos were random. So second one is basic moment, like left and right moments. So yeah, all the three models like could implement basic left and right. And third is rotation, normal and wall kickbacks. So yeah, all the model could implement this as well. Great. So in the fourth, we have got drops, soft and hard drop. So Gemini could perform both soft and hard drop, whereas OpenAI and Claude could not implement hard drops. So I will give cross to both OpenAI and Gemini, OpenAI and Anthropic. For the fifth part, it's row clearing, and I need to give cross to Anthropic for this because uh, I I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but like Anthropic was not clearing two rows at once. Like it was clearing the row on a single row at one time, and when the okay, so I will give tick marks to all the models except Anthropic on this. And talking about the score, Gemini really messed up the score, to be honest, because when I pressed down arrow, then it was increasing the score like very randomly. So yeah. Also, when I pressed the spacebar, it did implement the hard drop, but it was increasing the score. So I need to give cross to Gemini for this. Whereas for Anthropic and OpenAI, they did implement the score feature really well. So I will give tick mark to them. Whereas you talking about the UI, Gemini's UI was, I guess, very old-fashioned. Also, like it was not responsive. Remember, like I had to zoom out a little bit to see everything. It means it was not responsive. Whereas OpenAI and Anthropic did manage to like get a good UI. Like it was centered and it looked good. So I will give tick mark to both of them. And on and last parameter was user experience. Uh, OpenAI and Gemini did not give a good user experience because user could not pause the game, whereas Anthropic did give a pause button. And yeah, so I need to give it to Anthropic for this. So I will give tick mark to Anthropic. And if I have to see the decision, if I have to see all the parameters, then there are like three crosses for Gemini. So sorry, Gemini, you are not the best, at least for this comparison. But remember, guys, like this is not the final comparison. So second one, if I have to if I have to say about Anthropic and OpenAI, then both like have like two crosses. So it's very difficult to choose between both of them. Uh, but I can see on the like decision parameters. So both did not implement hard drop, and another thing was like uh, UX was little bit better on Anthropic compared to OpenAI, but Anthropic did lack the game mechanics, like it lacked the row clearing functionality. So for me, at least, it is more crucial than the user experience. So yeah. So if I have to choose one, and according to the decision parameters I have written in this notebook, I will give it to OpenAI because it did implement all the game mechanics except the hard drop, and user interface was also quite good, not that bad. So yeah, for me it's OpenAI winning the AI showdown. But you guys are like welcome to tell us your opinion. Do drop a comment or like about which model did you like the most. Yeah, till so thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye. Signing off.